Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kavya. So friend, today I'm going to my farm to do some work over there because in this day I'm free. So I was feeling bored at my home. So I thought let's go to farm and do some farming work. So we are on the way. We are going by on foot because it's near to our house, so that's why we are going on food. And weather is also so pretty. I mean, it's cozy, and yesterday it was raining, that's why. So beside this road there is a cow shed, and you can see greenery over there. So many trees are there. See, it's looking so beautiful, so pretty and attractive. So my parents, they were not agreed when I said to them that I want to do some farming work. I want to go with them, go with you. So they said no. They were not allowing me to go farm with them. Hmm. Somehow I convinced them, and they said okay, you can go. So I'm going. This place is empty because everyone has arrived their farm, and we are late, I think. So that's why you cannot see anyone around me. See friend, the weather is cloudy and it may rain today. Actually, I don't have farming experience, but still I want to do because I haven't gone at. I mean, yeah, I had done before. I mean, 3-4 times when I was child. So I have not more than that. I have done only 3-4 times. So these are our field. As you can see, we have grown paddy, and there are not so many trees because trees are being cut every day. So there were, but not now. We have reached. So finally, we have reached in our farm, and I'm standing in this field bunt. This is called field bunt. You can see behind me, and we say in local language made. So I'm entering in the into the field, and I will do work. So basically what I have to do is I have to just pull out the rice seedling and again transplant in empty place. My home because it was pouring down and thundering bolt, lightning flash. So that's why we came back early. It's 12:30 afternoon. So we came back early because of rain. So you can see my hair is almost wet. So I took bath again, and thanks for watching. I hope friend you have learned some new words from my video. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'll meet in the next video.